When you walk into a network room that's buzzing with switches, cables running in every direction, blinking indicators lighting up the rack, and you know there's an issue somewhere, but you don't yet know where to start, the Fluke Network's LIQ-Duo gives you that confident feeling that says you're not going in blind. This device is designed for the reality of modern networks where cables, access points, switches, LANs, PO loads, and Wi-Fi coverage all overlap, and you're expected to understand it instantly. The moment you pick up the LIQ-Duo, it feels like a technician's tool, solid, durable, and capable of giving you clear answers without guessing. You power it on and immediately see how clean the interface is. Instead of drowning you in confusing menus, it guides you with clear options for cable testing, network validation, PO measurement, switch discovery, Wi-Fi scanning, and more. The LIQ cable testing is surprisingly fast. You plug in a cable and within seconds the tester gives you the cable length, wire map, distance to fault, and whether it can support the rated speeds like 1 gig or 10 gig. That alone saves hours of troubleshooting over the course of a month, especially when you're dealing with installations in large offices, data closets, schools, warehouses, or renovation projects where you don't always know how the cabling was done. Then you switch to network testing, and that's where the LIQ-Duo shows its real versatility. It can identify which switch port you're connected to, show the switch name, the port number, the VLAN, the advertised speeds, and even the PO class being delivered. It feels almost like having a transparent view inside the network without touching a keyboard or logging into a controller. When something is misconfigured, mismatched, or simply not delivering the right power, you see it plainly on the screen without needing to guess or trace cables manually. One of the biggest advantages is the PO load testing. If you've ever installed access points, cameras, VoIP endpoints, or smart sensors, you know how common it is for devices to power on and then drop off or reboot because the power budget wasn't enough. The LIQ-Duo can apply an actual load test, which tells you whether the port can truly deliver the power it claims. Instead of assuming the switch is fine, you get real numbers under real load. This avoids unnecessary callbacks, rewiring, and client complaints later. But what makes this version special is the addition of Wi-Fi testing. You can scan the environment for access points, see signal strengths, security types, channels, and whether there are overlapping APs creating congestion. This is incredibly valuable in homes, offices, retail spaces, and especially multi-AP installations where the layout might not be optimized. Instead of walking around guessing where the dead spots are, the tester helps you map it out visually with data you can trust. As you continue exploring different menus, you realize how much the tester consolidates into one tool. You don't need to carry separate Wi-Fi analyzers, separate cable testers, separate PO checkers, or separate network discovery apps. Everything is integrated cleanly in a way that reduces the number of devices you need to pull from your bag. Even the ergonomics feel intentional, with comfortable buttons, a rugged shell, and a display that remains readable even in bright environments where glare usually makes screens difficult to work with. During field work, the LIQ-Duo becomes even more impressive. Picture yourself troubleshooting a camera that keeps dropping offline. You connect the tester, and in just a few seconds you see that the PO power budget of the switch port is lower than the device requires under load. Or you're diagnosing a slow connection in a meeting room and the tester reveals that the cable is only supporting 1 gig instead of 10 due to a wiring fault at one end. These findings take minutes instead of hours and give you immediate direction on what to fix. Another strength is how quickly the tester identifies devices across LANs, giving you visibility into network structure that would normally require logging into management portals. You can even check link speed negotiation and duplex mismatches, problems that often create hidden performance bottlenecks in offices. Every result appears in a very clean format that's understandable even for newer technicians, yet powerful enough for senior network engineers. Then there's the build quality. The LIQ-Duo is clearly engineered for rough environments. It's not delicate or fragile. You can use it in construction settings, dusty server rooms, and tight network closets without worrying about damaging it. This ruggedness gives you the feeling that you're investing in a tool that will last years, not months. The battery life also supports long days where you're moving from site to site without constantly needing to recharge. One of the most satisfying aspects of the LIQ-Duo is how it turns complex network problems into simple, visual answers. You no longer need to wonder whether the cable is the issue, whether the switch is delivering enough power, whether the access point placement is good, or whether the port is assigned to the right VLAN. Instead, the tester walks you through each part of the chain until the problem becomes obvious. This gives you more confidence in your work, reduces guesswork, and speeds up both troubleshooting and installations. By the time you finish using it for the day, you can feel just how much time it saves. It becomes one of those tools you reach for automatically because it simplifies your job. Whether you're a network technician, installer, system integrator, or a tech enthusiast who handles complex home networks, the Fluke Networks LIQ-Duo feels like a complete package that brings clarity to every connection you test. It's the kind of gear that pays for itself by eliminating wasted time, reducing client issues, and increasing the quality of every network you touch.